Whoa, what the heck is going on? Today I have a Squishy Bunny, aka my man. Today we're fixing some slime, some ugly. It's not ugly.
They've been tossed around.
It was once beautiful. They were all beautiful, by the way. These are from some of my friends and also some of my favorite slime shops, and they are all amazing. It just happens that, you know, slime gets old. It melts. You play with it a lot. It gets really dirty. Sometimes stuff like this happens to it where this one is...
That one is destroyed.
I'm sure this happens to everybody when your slime inflates. You play with it too much and it doesn't even fit anymore.
All the time.
So you kind of just flip it over.
You know what's funny? Like,
and then it gets hard like this.
There's not even the cap for it though.
We have a lot of supplies here, and by a lot, I mean not really.
Very few. To me, like, this is a lot, but in comparison to what I have back home, like,
y'all, in Riverside,
this is nothing.
We have a whole room of all kinds of clay, all kinds of beads,
I have like
all
shelves,
kinds of everything.
Sands, beads, you name it, we got it.
Here we actually have some because we did go shopping at Target and Walmart. We went and got some slime supplies, and I feel like we have enough to make the best slime we could make. I also got inspiration from Amira, just Amira. Hey girl, I love you guys. They do this thing where I believe they call it like fix the slime.
Yeah.
It's kind of like when I do the 1-year-old slime packages, except this is not like a year old. This is just, they just need a little bit of help. We want to make this a little bit interesting. We don't just want to like get to it and take our time.
Wait, we don't?
So I think the point is to make it like a challenge. Like we have a bunch of different like ingredients. Like this clay right here actually is the best. Yeah, I'm excited for that.
In 3, 2, 1, snatch your
Wait,
slime.
what?
Snatch your slime.
No. Oh my god, I wanted the pink one.
You think it's the pink one?
Oh my god, yay! I guess we got our slimes now. I got, y'all, these were freaking amazing too at one point.
I think this was cow cream. We just lost the lid
like,
for it.
You know what it looks like? It looks like the ice cream. The chocolate swirl.
Wait, what chocolate swirl?
Well, because like it's so dirty on the outside.
Oh, you mean like it looks like that chocolate fudge you put on with an ice cream?
It's like that chocolate swirl ice cream. Oh my god. Wait, good luck with that.
I got Bunny Baby. Oh.
Bunny Baby
Bunny
slimes. Baby. Oh, we love her.
It's Cherry Blossom.
Oh my god, that one smells so good. Is it melted? Oh. I got Mermaid Muddy Buddies.
Muddy?
And she's such a queen. Oh my god. There's like hair in my slime. This has been everywhere. Like this stuff has like fuzzy stuff all over it. And then this one, I love this one so much, and it's like heartbreaking. This is, I forgot the name.
I think it's a Dragon Fruit Refresher. I'm not sure. I think it was.
I hope it's that one. Yeah. But this one is so freaking amazing, and when she plays with it on Instagram, it's so thick, and it is, you know, like when it's fresh, but this is like really old, and you could just tell immediately that this is just like glue right now.
10 seconds to choose your add-ins. Go. 10
oh my god, wait,
10, 9, 8,
no, wait, oh my god, I'm like,
7, 6,
I am, no, Rose, stop, you can't do that. Why did you get so much? It's the first round.
Oh, is it? I thought we were getting added for both of them. I'll make some fettuccine alfredo, right?
Wait, why would you tell me what you're making? Oh my, bro, it's supposed to be a challenge.
Is it now?
I'm not gonna show you what I got.
What you got?
But I'm ready to go.
You got pump? I can see.
Bro, stop.
You don't know what I'm making though with these add-ins.
I don't know what you're making. You have literally all the add-ins in front of you.
I do. Alright, so I'm gonna fix Bunny Baby this round.
I'm fixing Mermaid Muddy Buddies because the add-ins I got I think are better for this.
You have 5 minutes to fix your slime, starting now.
Okay, I'm gonna take these out because they're really cute, but I feel like I don't know if they go with what I want right now. Where the heck do I even put this?
Ooh, looks like soup, Karina. I think mine's almost activated. It's crazy.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no, it's a little sticky.
Oh my god, my slime is like completely melted.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was gonna take some
Oh my god, it's such a big pet peeve of mine, like activating slime. But like, no one's asking me to do it, you know? Oh my god, my rings. I forgot to take them off. Same. I think it's too late now. We should have like a series of like us, like, you know, as we're married, like little challenges together or something.
Aww.
You know what? This slime was not that hard to activate.
It wasn't. You know
what?
what?
I feel like it's because it's not that old.
You know why? Also, because I've noticed reactivating slime is easier than activating like glue. If that makes sense.
With a 1-year-old slime, it's hard because the slime is literally like more melted than glue itself.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my god, what did I do?
I feel like my slime is ready for the next
But like,
step.
that's it?
That's it. I'm gonna. No, I'm actually gonna go ahead and add some rubber bands. So my slime is coming together. I don't know about yours, but these look like those whole wheat noodles.
Are you kidding me? I just tried to open this and like everything but the freaking seal
Wow.
came off.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
So I'm gonna add some red pom poms to imitate meatballs.
Oh my god, that is a lot of spaghetti.
I love spaghetti. Look at this. Ooh. I'm gonna add some of these.
I don't know why it's not turning green. My
Alright.
slime's not turning green.
So I'm gonna add go my little garnish, Karina, on my spaghetti and meatballs.
Bro, why'd you mix it? It looks crazy now. That's a lot of meatballs. Honestly, I'm just jealous because I don't know what the heck I'm doing over here. Oh my god, what is that? She looks like a cupcake or something.
It looks like a cupcake, huh? It looks nice. Wow, she popped.
I'm so disappointed in myself.
Why?
I didn't mean to grab these add-ins.
That's a good slime. That's good.
And
I
Say,
literally...
applause.
8,
Oh my god, I forgot
7,
these. Oh my god, I really...
6,
Oh.
5,
Wow, I lost.
4, 3,
I was kidding.
2, 1.
It looks like a freaking tree or something. And it's not Christmas. I'm sad.
Okay, mine looks pretty bomb, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty proud of myself.
I feel like spaghetti had so much potential.
It looks like Elmo got chewed up and thrown up again.
I'm disgusted at my slime. Like, I ruined it. Mermaid slimes,
Wait,
I
can I
am so
touch
sorry.
it? How about if I touch it? Maybe
Okay, let me
feel
play with yours. I feel like you needed less meatballs
less meatballs.
and less spaghetti. Whoa, what the heck is going on?
Become like a rubber band ball.
It literally doesn't
Is it?
stretch.
No way.
You can't stretch
Oh.
it because it starts to fly. And creativity wise, it's still a 9.
Oh,
I don't
9?
understand
That's
why.
good. Wow.
I just don't get why
Thank
you
you.
used so much spaghetti. Like, you knew what was up. It's good.
I like spaghetti.
Playability, 1 out of 10. You can't do much to it. It's like a 4.
Look, if you stretch it, it traps air bubbles because the rubber bands, they like swing back into each other.
The 4 is the pops. Like, they're there.
But not all of
But
there.
where's the stretch, honey?
What about the pokes?
Where it at, though?
You can't poke it how the rubber band's getting
It's
away.
hard. ASMR, 4 out of 10 because you hear some sounds. They're just weird.
Okay. So I mean, so it's pretty manageable to play with it. Like you could hold it with one hand, do
You
this,
can play with it.
put
alright?
it down, poke it. You could like pull it, trap air bubbles. I think it's bomb. It's like a 10.
A
To
10?
play with it, yeah. Fallout, I mean, it's there. For creativity, I feel like you didn't go all out, Karina. I feel like you just added beats to this.
I tried to make it green. That was my biggest priority.
and a lot of lotion. I saw you. ASMR was like a 4, to be honest. It's not like as ASMR is. I mean, the pop-ups are cool, but not really.
Like
For creativity, I want to give you like a 1, dude. So, I mean, Karina, like, you didn't really get creative with this. You just painted it green and took off the waffle things.
I know.
So that means Raul won this round with a 17 over Karina with a 15.
Raul won with his
Ooh.
spaghetti habanero.
You have 15 seconds to think about what you want to do with your slime. 3, 2, 1. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Your 5 minutes to fix your slime starts in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
I wasn't even that bad. Wow. I feel like it's pretty good. It might need a little bit of activator though. So.
Look how cool are those to like scoop it and then do that.
Huh?
You see how it looks kind of cool, like you scoop it.
Oh yeah.
This slime is so beautiful. I better not mess this up. Audrey's gonna hate me if I ruin this.
I have like the perfect white base slime, so I could do anything to it. I'm about to make an inflating slime. How does that make you feel?
What?
Inflating slime?
Oh my god, why didn't I think of a clay with the last one? That's literally all that could have fixed my last one.
I just love like mixing clay into slime.
Why can't I open this?
Ooh, that's pretty.
I want like a crunchy slime.
We'll go with a little bit more glory. Looks like ice cream hopping on this.
Oh my god, that looks so good. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2 and a half, 1 and a half, 1.
Oh my god, is it mint chip ice cream?
Mint chip ice cream, you got
It
it.
looks so big too, but I actually really like mine too.
I snapped,
So
dude.
good. I'm sorry, but I feel like I would play with these slimes. Like these
This
that
one
we
looks
made.
really good, actually.
I really like mine. But I really like yours.
It's really good.
So jealous. I like yours. Oh my god, this
Wow.
is so buttery and it's so soft and creamy.
Dude, I love how like the little balls just roll off your hand, if that makes sense. Like they just kind of like glide off your hand. So when you squeeze them, wow.
Oh, I love this one. And the scent too of cow cream actually goes with it.
Yeah, it does.
So good.
I love these beads.
I feel like creativity, you really, at first I was like, you're just making a butter, that's it. But then you added in the mint chips, like the little chocolate chips.
To
And
top
I was
it
like,
off.
oh, it's perfect. And it's, the weird thing is that, you know, the scent, it wouldn't even make sense with this slime, but it goes perfectly with it. It's like a nice creamy
It's
scent.
like a soft scent, yeah.
Creativity, I honestly feel like it's like a 9, like a high 9. You can't go wrong with like a nice butter, simple. Sometimes like simplicity is like the best way to go, and I feel like that's like the case here. Playing with it, a 10. I feel like I'm gonna play with this until it dries out.
It's really
And
good.
the ASMR,
yeah.
the sizzles, I love them also a 10.
Wow, I mean, I love it when you stretch like a crunchy slime and like it gives you that sound.
I hear it.
Like I love that sound, and then like when you just, wow, so soft. It's like sticky, but like the right amount of sticky, if that makes sense.
To hold the beads
To
in,
hold
you
the
mean?
beads together. It's like, I think it's a perfect 10 across the board. Wow.
So Karina wins with a full 30, and Raul with a 29, coming
Wow,
second.
really.
I feel like you should have won.
But last round I won by 2 points,
Kinda
so I
right.
win.
I have so much fun when I have Squishy on the channel. We do
Yes.
like fun little slime challenges.
You want to come out on my channel?
Do I want to come out on your channel? Yes, I do. Check Squishy out right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below who do you guys think won. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Peace.